Hey, it's Dan McDonald here, Life Regenerator. Thanks for joining me for today's episode of the Life Regenerator Show. Today I have a very special recipe for you. It is a coconut curry. So I'm making food for church today. I'll be feeding probably 60 or 80 people. I've got some quinoa potatoes cooked here, and I'm steaming up some broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots over here. I'll do some onions last, and then I'm going to add the ultra concentrated coconut curry. So remember that this is ultra concentrated. You may want to thin it out a little bit in order to use it for your steamed vegetables, your baked potatoes, or your salad dressing. Can you dig it? Okay, so I've got 2 cups of coconut meat. You're going to need to get young Thai coconuts. You can get those at the co-op, Whole Foods, or Asian markets. Ask your local produce manager to get you some young Thai coconuts so you can utilize those for yogurt, smoothies, and then dressings like this, because coconut fat is one of the best sources of fat for the human organism. So I've got 2 cups of coconut meat. I've got 1 cup of fresh local ginger, which is medicine. I've got another cup of fresh local turmeric. Then I've got a tablespoon of salt. I've got a tablespoon of dried garlic. I've got a tablespoon of black peppercorns to activate that turmeric and to add more flavor. I've got 2 tablespoons of organic curry powder. So use any high quality curry powder. You can usually find that at the store. I recommend organic on all of this. It makes a big difference in flavor, nutritional density, and the avoidance of pesticides. And finally, I've got 5 Hawaiian chilies. These are very small. You can't even barely see them. So you might want to just use like 1 Thai pepper or 1 cayenne pepper, or maybe half a habanero or a jalapeno. Whatever you like your spice level. I keep it pretty low, and since this is super concentrated, so that's about 5 hot peppers for about 60 or 80 people. And then last but not least, I've got a quart of coconut water. So now I'm just going to blend that, and that's going to be my coconut curry. Give that a minute, let it get nice and smooth. That's absolutely incredible, and if you could smell that, it would blow your mind. So you can use that, like I said, for just about anything. So enjoy the coconut curry recipe, and thanks for subscribing, sharing this video, leaving me a comment, and hitting the notification button so that when tomorrow's video comes up, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of the Life Regenerator Show. It's an honor and privilege to be of service and to just be sharing some more of my creativity with you. Aloha, mahalos, thank you, peace be with you. I'm out.